Just wait for 2 more minutes. It's better you have a laptop rather than having mobile phone, guys. Better if we can arrange a laptop. That's great. So guys, I just wanted to know what do you guys do? What are you into? Just type in the chat box. What are you guys into? Just wanted to know what are you into? Okay, you are into sales. Raj Manik, you are into sales. Okay. Others? Working with Kotak Life. Currently 19 but planning to start your own business. Nice. Navin Mohan is into IT. Okay, Murli Krishna is into media. And stockbroker, okay. NGO, okay. RTO online work. Okay, I respect that. Next. Business, ORT import. What exactly is that, Piyush? I guess you are also one of job, poultry farming. Nice guys, nice to see you guys. Almost 40 people joining us today. I was expecting around 60 to 70 people joining us. Senior associate, stockbroker, welfare association. Okay. Started up an e-commerce business. Nice, Anita. Get on a call with me. Let's discuss what sort of business you have. E-commerce platform for industrial and commercial platforms. Yeah. Okay, let's start, guys. I'm sharing my screen right now. Perfect. So if you can see me, if you can see my screen, one in the chat box. One in the chat box if you can see my screen. Guys, this session is very much interactive. You can put forward all your questions. I'll be happy to assist you on e-commerce. Logistics service, okay. Dinesh Kumar, logistics service, okay. One. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for the response. So let's start. Oh my God, people are still joining us. Oh my God, we got somebody from Kashmir as well. Hi, DK Khan. Hi. That's nice.
Yeah, hi Shashank, this is Sunil Arya.
Hi, Sunil.
This is a 3-week course.
Sorry?
This one is a 3-week course.
No, it's a small demo. I guess you attended one of my webinars already, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. So I thought it's the 3-week course is starting today.
No, not yet. We are yet to start.
Okay, when it is going to start?
Maybe next week. I will send you a schedule in 2 or 3
This
days.
is the same session which I have already conducted.
Yes.
Hello.
What is this? If you wanted to stay back, sir.
What we are going to discuss today?
We are going to discuss about e-commerce, completely e-commerce. When you want to start e-commerce, how do you want to start e-commerce? Is it a good time to start e-commerce? Something like that.
E-commerce in the sense of like drop shipping or
drop shipping and POD.
Drop shipping and
POD, print on demand.
Print on demand. Okay.
Okay, let's start. Guys. Let's
Hi,
start.
Shashank, Vinayak.
Hi, Vinayak.
Just a minute. Yeah. Just to interrupt you. How long will this session will go for? Can you please tell me?
It will be 1.5 hours almost. One and a half hour.
Okay. Then what I'll do is that I'll connect with my laptop because I'm expecting few calls and it will get interrupted. Okay?
Sure.
I'll connect it to my laptop.
Please connect. Okay, guys, let's start. So welcome, guys. Welcome to the session. How to set up?
Are you going to send a recording of this session
I'm
in
going to send
WhatsApp
the
group?
anyways. I'm going to send the recording anyways. If you have any more doubts, I want you guys to put in the chat box. Okay? Yeah, thank you. So guys, welcome again. Welcome to this session. How to set up and scale e-commerce websites in any economy. Any economy here, I'm talking about particularly about pandemic COVID-19. So my name is Shashank. I'll be your host for next 1.5 hours. I'll be here assisting you on how to create an e-commerce websites and what sort of products that you are going to sell. How are you going to make some sort of profits only through e-commerce? Okay. And the most important point is you do not have to have any investment here. Okay. The only investment that you're going to do is on marketing. That's it. Okay. So without any further delay, let's start. So there are some ground rules, guys, to make this information interactive. There are some ground rules. All the questions will be answered. If the question needs immediate attention, it will be definitely answered. The webinars, this webinar does not cover any advanced level. This webinar is to make entrepreneurs or working professionals or the people who wanted to set up their own e-commerce site, and also to the people who wanted to make secondary source of income. Okay, requesting not to throw any sort of negative comments and do not publicize your own brand here. If you want to discuss some additional stuff regarding e-commerce, I'm just a call away. Just call me or message me one-to-one. We'll have a call, and that will be absolutely free of cost. Okay. And if you feel that your clear intention is to disturb the webinar, I'm sorry, I'll have to block you. So guys, now please understand the above points and let's make this webinar a successful one. Okay. One the chat box if you're excited, guys. Let me start. If you give me some sort of permissions, let me start right now. You guys should be interactive, guys. That's only request I have from my side. Yeah. I need responses. I need responses. Okay. Okay. One the chat box. Let's start. Have a pen and paper handy with you. Have a pen and paper handy with you. Okay. Okay. Okay, done, guys. So let us see what exactly I do, why I'm here today. My name is Shashank Reddy. I'm a digital marketing trainer and consultant. I'm an e-commerce expert, trained more than 4,000 people all over the world, successfully launched 4 websites. Okay, 4 websites, scaled to million rupees, and sold it to US and Philippines clients. Okay, and I'm on a mission of training 1,200 people by end of 2020. Okay, you can also check my LinkedIn profile. If you need much more details, you'll find it there. Okay, perfect. Now let's see what exactly e-commerce is all about. I'm going to show you small introduction about e-commerce. Then we are going to have 2 categories. One is into POD, that is print on demand. The other category will be drop shipping. I'm going to explain you both of this. Okay, so now, as I want you guys to introduce to e-commerce, just observe this particular slide, guys. Because of this pandemic and it's because of this COVID-19 time all over the world, I'm just talking about US sales now. I'm just talking about US sales now. If you can see, from March 2020 to April 2020, there is a jump of $1.3 billion only in the sector of groceries. So people are afraid nowadays to go out and get some stuff for them, right? So if you can see this, it has jumped from $4 billion to $5.3 billion in 30 days, right? The next much more important point, I want you guys to understand the drop of e-commerce sales in March 2020 and the increase of e-commerce sales in April 2020. If you can see clearly here, you can clearly see here, okay, because everything is shut down, guys, because of this COVID-19 issue. If you can see in the March, e-commerce sales went down to minus 13.6%. Okay, minus 13.6%. This is weekly report. This is weekly report. Minus 13.2%. And if you can see in April month, it increased by 13.2% plus 14.3%. It's almost 28% increase only in a month. Only in a month, we are observing this particular trend of increase of 28% at a time. Okay, this is the only major thing you need to concentrate right now, guys. This is the only major thing you need to concentrate right now, that people are now going online and buying stuff. People are now going online, having groceries, having, apparels, having anything, home utensils, home appliances, anything is available on e-commerce right now. And it is now, if you do not start an e-commerce website right now, you are under losses, because we are here to make secondary source of income. Understand that we do not know what next can happen in the future. If you if you're already in the verge of losing your job, if you're already feeling it pressuring you, that you are insecure about the job that you're doing right now, you do not know when your job goes off. Maybe you're doing good at your job. Maybe if a company is paying well, congratulations, I'm happy for you. But what if, again, if the same pandemic situation is coming back, hitting the complete world, we need to have secondary source of income. So that is the reason why you guys have to start an e-commerce site right away without having any delay. Okay, so I just wanted to focus on two main categories, guys. That is print on demand and drop shipping. Let me directly jump into print on demand and drop shipping, explaining you what exactly this particular e-commerce mean. Okay, so let us start, guys. Let me now enter into one of my favorite apps where I can explain you regarding mind mapping and all, through mind mapping and all. Let's take a lot of time. Okay. So we have two categories, guys. One of the categories is called drop shipping. The other category is called POD, that is print on demand. The other most important category that you're following right now is a marketplace category. What happens in a marketplace category is we have Amazon, we have got Flipkart, we have got Snapdeal, Paytm. All these companies comes under a category called as marketplace. Okay. So in the marketplace, what exactly happens is you have a buyer, you have a seller. Both of them meet at a certain point. Okay, both of these people meet at a certain point and make some sort of business there. This particular concept is called as marketplace. Okay, let me open this, and after that I'll explain you all about POD, dropshipping, and marketplace. Okay, got it. Speed map. Okay, now see this, guys. Let me type in e-commerce here. E-commerce. As soon as I talk about e-commerce, right, we have three categories again. One category is called, let me make it bigger. Yeah. Marketplace. Sorry. Marketplace. This marketplace is nothing but Amazon, Flipkart, Best Buy, or Walmart. All these particular things comes under marketplace. What exactly happens in the marketplace is where buyer and a seller meets. I am a seller, for example. I have got something to sell. I've got this particular Tupperware bottle to sell. What will I do is I'll go approach Amazon. I'll create a seller account there, and I'll try to reach out to my customers through Amazon. Got it? So that particular thing is called marketplace. But we are not going to have much more details regarding marketplace, but we are going to have details regarding one of my favorites, that is dropshipping. Okay. And we are going to have one more thing called as POD, that is print on demand. Let me explain you about print on demand and dropshipping is. What happens in POD is, understand this clearly now, 200% attention, guys. This will blow up your minds and you'll have newest ideas coming onto your minds. What exactly happens in POD is, we have a design, understand, I'm going to show you live as well. We have a design and we put the design on a t-shirt and we are going to target the customers. Simple concept is, we have a design, we are going to put that design on a t-shirt and then target the customers. After we get a sale, as soon as we get a sale, we'll inform the vendor saying that this particular product has got a sale from this particular country. Got it? This particular product, this particular design has got a sale from this particular country. I'm paying you $10, I'm paying you $8 for this particular t-shirt. Now you print the t-shirt and ship the t-shirt to the customer. So here we do not have any sort of risk factor here. The only factor you need to consider is the first much more important point here is the design factor. The second much more important point is targeting factor. Targeting anyways, we are going to do it on Facebook marketing. Targeting anyways, we are going to do it on Google AdWords. So let me explain you much more deeper now. Let me type in here. So what exactly happens is, you have a design. You have a design. Okay. You put it on a t-shirt, okay, or a mug, or a pillow, or a bed sheet maybe, or a poster maybe. So whatever it is, guys, whatever it is, you put a design on it, and after that you market that product. You market that product. As soon as you market that product, you get a sale. After you get a sale, you approach a vendor. You approach a vendor. I'm going to give you my vendor list. I'm anyways going to give you my vendor list. Okay, and you are going to ship it to the customer. Ship to the customer. Simple. Here we do not have any risk of stock or inventory. Ankit says the risk in POD is for return merchandise. There is no risk, much more risk. For example, I'll tell you, I do POD a lot. I do POD to my clients as well. Out of 100, 150, shipments, only 1 or 2 will be returns, and those returns can be handled very easily, guys. Do not worry about that. Okay, the returns that you maximum get is because of size issues and not because of quality, because we maintain highest quality. I'm going to give my vendor list to you. So those guys will maintain the highest quality. I did not get any quality issues till date in my 4.5 years of e-commerce journey. I got completely around 9 years of experience in digital marketing. Okay, 4.5 exclusively on e-commerce marketing. So guys, do not worry about returns. Do not worry about refunds and all. We are going to handle it the best way possible. So this particular concept is called POD, guys. This particular concept is called POD. Now I'm going to show you the concept of POD right now. So let me go to one of my associate websites. Okay, let me go here and let me showcase you the t-shirts which I sell right now. Okay, the t-shirts which I'm selling it right now to people. Okay, let me click on men t-shirts. Let me scroll down. This is the design we use, guys. Anyways, when you join my training program, I'm going to give you all the designs anyways. Okay, let me take this. Okay, let me take this, guys. Let me take this particular t-shirt. Did you ever find this particular t-shirt in any of the stores? I wanted to know that in the comment box right now. Beard Funkle, the greatest kind of fun uncle. Did you ever find this type of t-shirt anywhere in any of the stores? Maybe it's online, maybe it's offline. Do you think these type of t-shirts, if I target to people, will sell? I want that in the comment box right now, guys. I want. No, right? Perfect, guys. Thank you, Stephen. Thank you, Vinayak. Understand this particular concept, guys. You will never ever find this type of t-shirts anywhere. The only thing, why a particular customer should come only onto your store? Why is it he should come only onto your store is the point. I need responses, guys. I got only 3 responses here. Out of 40 people on the call today, 42 people on the call today. Did you ever find this type of t-shirt anywhere? Let me know in the chat box. Perfect, guys. I mean, there's no, yeah. To target a particular segment, yes, we need to target. We need to target a particular segment. Yes, you said right. Sunil, go unmute yourself and talk to me. Please unmute yourself and talk to me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Unique design cells. Yeah, unique design cells. Now tell me, guys. Now on the chat box again. Now on the chat box again. Who are my target customers for this? Whom can I target? Whom can I target? Let me know in the chat box. Whom shall I target? As soon as you see the T-shirt, you get an idea, right? You get an idea. Whom shall I target? Age group of 18 to 30. Okay, next. 22 to 35. Next. Youth. Next. Teens. Next. Guys. Hold on. I want you to target to people just obviously men, Satish. Obviously, you are targeting men because understand the T-shirt here. Understand the T-shirt. Clearly understand the T-shirt. What is a unique thing you are able to see there? What is a unique thing you are able to see there? Understand that? What is a unique thing you are able to see? People with beard. Perfect, Ankit. Perfect. Uncles. Yes, perfect. So this is how we target. Can we target these type of people on Facebook? Can we target these type of people on Facebook? Can we target these type of people on Google Ads? Absolutely yes. We can target these type of people, young people with beards. Yes, but how? I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you, Vinayak. Don't worry. Okay. So thanks for the response. But this T-shirt can be bought by anyone for anybody. Yes, it's possible. It's possible. Okay. Gift for uncle. Yeah. Now, what about this T-shirt? What about this T-shirt now? What about this T-shirt now? Tell me what about this T-shirt? Whom shall I target? Did you ever see these type of T-shirts anywhere? Did you ever see this type of T-shirt anywhere? No. Okay, thank you. I need responses. Come on, guys. This is an interactive session only for you today. I promise you that I'm not going to waste your Sunday. Youngsters with what interest? Youngsters with what interest? I just wanted to know youngsters with what interest? Yeah, beer. So what exactly happens is, have some patience, user, have some patience. What exactly happens is, we are going to create these type of unique designs. We are going to create these type of unique designs, and we are going to target people. So what is that happens? As soon as you design these type of T-shirts, let me design now a small T-shirt for you. Let me go to a tool called as canva.com. You can also have this tool, guys. Let me go to all my designs. Yeah, let me go to this. Let me delete this. Let me upload a small T-shirt design for you. Let me check if I have a small T-shirt design for you. Okay, this one. Now see this T-shirt design, guys. Now see this T-shirt design. Let me include this on my T-shirt. Simple, guys. My T-shirt is ready. My T-shirt is now ready. As soon as I have this particular T-shirt, what will I do is I download this particular T-shirt. Okay, only this. Done. I download this particular T-shirt and I'm going to upload it into my stores. Perfect. And now I'm going to upload onto my stores. And after that, I am going to target people. After I target people, I get a sale. After I get a sale, I'm going to forward that particular sale to my vendor saying that this is the size, this is the design. You need to print this T-shirt and ship it to my customer. This particular concept is called POD, that is print on demand. How many of you understood this? One in the chat box. If you like the concept, one in the chat box. If you like the concept, one in the chat box. DK Khan, no, I'm not from that. DK Khan, sorry. If you liked the concept, one in the chat box, guys. I want everybody to respond today. Okay, got a point. It is very easy, guys. Now what you can do is based upon this T-shirt, you can target customers. And the most important point is we are not going to do it in India. We are going to do it in US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. Top 5 countries where apparel's business is just rocking. Apparel's business is just rocking. We are going to do that. Okay. Now, this particular concept is called POD. Now, let me tell you where will I get these type of designs. Okay, let's do some sort of market research now. Let's do some sort of market research. So one of my favorite websites is ETSY. One of my favorite websites is ETSY, where you can see all the trending t-shirts available. For example, just type in men t-shirts. Okay, men t-shirts, just say enter. Now see, I got all the men t-shirts here. I got all the men t-shirts here. If you can see this, see this. Let me take one nice t-shirt for you. Yeah, see this. See this t-shirt. Now I'm not 30, I'm 29 plus. You can easily target people, guys. Now you can easily target people of this particular kind directly on Facebook, depending upon the age. And this particular t-shirt already got around 3,727 sales, and it has got a tag called as best seller on ETSY. So now what I'm going to do is, understand the process now clearly, guys. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the screenshot of this particular t-shirt. I'm going to take the screenshot of this particular t-shirt. I'm going to give it to my designer and ask my designer to create almost the same t-shirt design and give it to me. Now, after I get the design, I'll go again to canva.com. I'll again go to canva.com, okay, like this, and I'm going to paste the design, something like this. I'll get, and after that, I'm going to sell it off. Mohammed, I'm not mute, sir. Just check your settings once again. People, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Yeah, thank you. So, Mohammed, please check it. Please check it from your side. Yeah. So guys, again, that's what I'm telling you, right? So I'm going to take the design. I'm going to take some sort of inspiration from these type of websites. Now I'm going to ask my designer to design these type of, ask my graphic designer to have some sort of nice graphic, something like this, take it and put it on my website and start selling. So that's how we do, guys. That's how we do business on POD, that is print on demand. In print on demand, what exactly happens? There is no inventory risk, there is no stock risk, there is no shipping risk. Everything will be maintained by the vendor itself. Okay, and the profit that you are going to get from POD is 500 to 550 rupees for each and every sale. That's minimum I'm getting right now. I'm targeting people who are into US, I'm targeting people who are into Australia, UK, New Zealand, Canada, top 5 countries in the world. I'm targeting these type of people. Each and every sale, I get around 550 to 600 rupees on an average for each and every sale. Okay, got my point. So understood POD, guys? Understood POD. Now let me jump into. Hope there is no copyright issues due to taking out the design. No, we are just taking the inspiration. That's the reason I told you. That's the reason I told you I'm going to give this design to my graphic designer and ask him to design almost the same. Almost the same, not the exact design, almost the same. So that I am confident right now of getting a sale. I'm confident right now of getting a sale. So that's how it actually works. Hope you got, I'm clear, Ankit. Okay, perfect. How much profit? It depends upon the t-shirt. For example, if I'm selling a unisex t-shirt of this kind, 400 rupees to 500 rupees is what you get on each and every sale. And if you're selling a hoodie, you'll get around 1200 rupees or 800 to 1000 rupees on an average. Depends upon the country you sell. But strictly not in India, because whatever we get, orders are prepaid orders, not COD, not cash on delivery. Whatever orders we're going to take will be prepaid orders only, not COD, cash on delivery. We're not going to use any cash on delivery option. To sell in the organization, you need a legal entity. No, we are not going to have anything legal entity, guys. Our vendors are going to have. What about customer care? Our vendors will be going to take care about that. Everything will be taken care by vendors. Do not worry about all these things. The only thing that you need to worry is to market people, market the right cluster of audience. That's it. If you're okay with POD, guys, if all your questions are billing will be in the vendor's name, billing will be on our store name. Billing will be on our store name. So now I'm going to show you right. I'm going to show you right away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have something called a Shopify. Let me put my email address here. Okay. So here, start a free trial. Let me put my password. I'm now creating a store, guys. In 5 minutes, I'm going to create the store. Just understand this. For example, this is my store name. Okay. Now I'm just creating my store. And we are also going to upload the product, and we are going to right now in front of you, I'm going to sell this particular t-shirt. Just observe this. Okay, what are you selling? I'm just playing around. I'm not selling products yet. I'm brainstorming what you sell. Currently, I'm having 0. Good clothing. Yeah. Next day. Next. Now it will ask you the address. Just give the address. Perfect. I give the address, guys. Just enter into my store. State. Let me put Telangana. I'm from Hyderabad, so it's Telangana. So enter into my store. Perfect. Now I am going to upload my products to the store. Just observe this. Just observe this. So my store is now created. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my product, add product, right? Doodoo t-shirt, for example. It's just an example. Doodoo t-shirt. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the description here, exact description which I use for my US customers. Okay, let me take only this as of now. Okay, now let me paste it here. Perfect, I got it. And media, I'm going to select the t-shirt. Okay, let me go to downloads. We already created t-shirt, right? Yeah, this t-shirt. Perfect, we got it. Now let me go down. Let me do some sort of setting here. New window. Let me general. As we are selling it in US right now. Scroll down, and store currency should be in US dollars. Store currency is in US dollars, so yeah, USD. Save it. Perfect. Now let me do it once again for you. Reload. Perfect. Now let me start doing it again for you because we changed the currency. Do t-shirt. Okay, do t-shirt. Perfect. Let me add the media. Got it. And just open. Any license need to start e-commerce? No license as of now. Don't worry about license and all. Okay. Now I'm going to sell it for $21. The actual price is $34. Okay. Just scroll down. Available. I've got 1,000 pieces available right now with me. Just put in 1,000 here and just save. Perfect, guys. My product is ready right now. My product is ready right now. Let me click on preview. See this. Done. Perfect. Now I'm going to sell this particular t-shirt for $21. The actual price is $34. If somebody clicks on buy it now, they directly go to the payment gateway given by PayPal. We are going to have a PayPal account, and you can also put your size issues here. And now we are ready to market this particular t-shirt. And don't you think, guys? Don't you think per day at least? Don't you think you'll get 5 to 6 sales if you market? Let me know in the comment box. Don't you think you get 5 to 6 sales if you start marketing like this? Let me know. Yes, no, any of your choice. Anything? Yeah. Sure. Yes. Vasanta says yes. Shankar says sure. Perfect. Responses. Come on, guys. Responses. But depends upon if the price is competitive. Do not worry. We are going to work on the price as well. Okay. Let me tell you one more important secret. The vendor charges $8 for this particular t-shirt. Now it's your decision how much you wanted to sell it for. Now it's your decision how much you wanted to sell it for. Vendor will charge around $8 to $9. Now it's your decision how much you wanted to sell it for. What's the medium we are going to use for marketing? We are going to use it. You are going to use Facebook for this. You're going to use Facebook for this. Facebook gets you tremendous traffic on your website. Great, then $13 profit. Not $13 profit. You need to take out this as well, right? The marketing cost, $4 to $5 marketing cost. You'll end up getting around $8 or $8 profit. Shipping cost is already included. Most American companies are banning FB ads. Who said that? No. Who said that? Most American companies are banning FB ads. No. We are running ads. I am running ads. My clients are running ads. No. I'm hearing it for the first time. Okay, guys. Coca-Cola companies, they stopped. Company itself stopped FB ads, right? American government didn't stop their ads. Company by themselves, they stopped FB ads. Okay, we'll start up, guys. Now let's get on to drop shipping. The concept of drop shipping is very simple, guys. You need to understand. Now, what we are going to do in drop shipping is we are going to deal with a vendor. I'm going to show you guys. We are going to deal with a vendor. Okay, you are going to take a product. Okay, consumer pays on the site, money comes to the e-com site. Company in India, company pays to the vendor in US. Possible? Yes, Sunil. Is the vendor cost $9 inclusive of shipping cost? Yes. Yes. Okay, now let's jump into drop shipping. Take a product, go to a vendor, take a product. Okay, and take pictures and videos. For example, take pictures and videos, import to your store. Okay, import to your store. Sell it with into 3 profit. I'm going to show you, explain you into 3 profit. Into 3 profit. Okay. Order, you'll get an order. After you get an order, inform the vendor, ship the product. This particular process is called drop shipping. I'm going to tell you clearly now, guys. We are not going to sell. Keep it in mind. Have a pen, have a paper in your before you right now. We are not going to sell cheap products. We are going to sell products which are problem solving. As soon as I see the product, right? For example, as soon as I see the product, that particular product should remind me of a problem solving. Getting my point? Now I'm going to show you one of my favorite products which is selling right now in US. I'm going to go to AliExpress, and do not worry about Chinese companies banning in US, guys. Still they are having, but we are not going to deal anything with Chinese companies, but I'm showing an example here. One of my favorite products now running right now, biodegradable grass mat. Now, guys, understand this particular product, and let me know, did you ever find this particular product, and do you think if I start selling this particular product, will I get sales? Understand this. Let me go back. Let me click on good number of orders. Okay, let me check a video. If you have a video for this. This is a product, guys. This is called as biodegradable grass mat. What exactly happens is it's a grass mat which is natural, not artificial. Okay, which is natural, not artificial. You are going to have this type of setting here. You're going to take the grass mat and put it on the ground, and after that, you just water it. You just water it, and the grass comes out. And the grass comes out. This is what it is, guys. This is what it is. We are going to have. Did you get this particular product? Or else you can do one thing. I'm going to show you one more product of mine, which is selling like crazy right now. Magnetic watch. See this. See this particular product. You will never ever find this particular product anywhere, guys. You'll never ever find this particular product anywhere. Did you like this particular product, and do you think we can sell this particular product? Let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box if you think that we can sell this particular product. Did you like this particular product? How many of you like this particular product? Did you anywhere in any of the physical stores, did you see these type of products, guys? Let me know in the chat box. Shankar says very good. Yes, yes, yes. I need responses, guys. Come on. If you give me more responses, I'm going to give you more knowledge. That's my promise. Understand this particular concept, guys. So this particular product is also selling like crazy right now in the US market. Okay. Now let me go back. Let me put on good number of orders. See this particular product. So you'll not find this particular product anywhere, guys. You'll only find this particular product on your websites. Now what you're going to do is, this particular product, let me go back. This particular product, you're getting it for $35, right? Now, how to know that product quality is good? Reviews here, see, reviews. We'll check the reviews, and then you're going to type with the vendor. Okay, now I'm going to show you how much I'm selling it for. You wanted to see how much I'm selling it for, guys? Do you wanted to see how much I'm selling it for? Any guess how much I'm selling it for? Any guess how much I'm selling it for? I am selling it for, this is my own website, guys. This is my own website. Okay, so let me show you how much I'm selling it for. This is my own e-commerce site, designed in 2 days. I designed this particular e-commerce site in 2 days. Let me show you how much I'm selling it for. Okay, let me go to gadgets. Yeah, this is the product I was talking about. How much I'm selling it for? $70. I'm selling it for $70. Okay, I've got different colors as well here. If you can see, I've got different colors. The most selling is this particular color, blue color. People are loving it. Okay, how much I'm getting it for? How much I am getting it for? Let me show you how much I'm getting it for. Not this particular thing. I'm getting it for $35. I'm selling it for $70. How much is the profit? $35. Remove $5 marketing cost. Remove $5 marketing cost. How much is the profit? $30 is my straight away profit, guys. Understand this. $30 is my straight away profit. Okay, and this particular product which I'm showing you right now is in high demand. Mana says, if you wanted to check, order it for yourself. Order it for yourself, know the quality, and then ship it to the customer. Almost double, yes. And this is possible right now, guys. Understand this. People are not going outside. People are not interested to do shopping outside. People are afraid going outside. Now, why don't you take this particular situation into your hands and start your own e-commerce website? Tell us, do you quality check yourself? I don't do because I just go away with the reviews. For dropshipping, who will take over the customer care? Our vendors will be taking over the customer care. Do not worry about that. All the returns, all the refunds will be taken care by vendor, and that particular vendor will be informing us. Out of 100 or 200 orders, 1 or 2 returns, refunds is possible, guys. I do not say that we are good 100%, right? Why will they come to you? They will go to AliExpress. They'll not. For example, how many of you are watch lovers here? How many of you are watch lovers here? Let me answer this question to Atul. How many of you are watch lovers? Into the chat box right now. How many of you love to wear watch? Yes, right? Now, did you ever find this particular product in your lifetime? Did you ever? That's the reason you market it to people. People do not know that this particular product is existing, right? People do not know that this particular product is still existing. Why will they go to AliExpress? The point is that why will they go to AliExpress? They'll definitely come to you because you are the person who is going to advertise, right? You are the person who is going to advertise, right? Why will they go to AliExpress is the point here. We are not, AliExpress is not going to advertise. The next point is AliExpress is not going to advertise in US right now. AliExpress never advertise in US right now. So understand this. There is a chance to get customer and sell directly to the customer by vendor. No, we have that in the agreements. We have that. AliExpress is made like that. AliExpress is the only website made like that. Understand this. Atul, I guess I have answered your question. So guys, this particular process is called drop shipping. Again, I am explaining you from the starting what happens in the drop shipping. You are going to see a particular product, okay, from AliExpress or from any other vendors. I am taking an example of AliExpress here. But once I find it on your site, I'll go to Google and find it with less price availability online. That's not possible. That's what Atul I'm telling you. That's not possible. Maybe if you think about that possibility, right? Maybe one or two will do it. But our marketing strategy, our remarketing strategy, marketing to the same person again and again will get you sales. I completely don't deny that. That is also possible. We'll have to pay any taxes to America? No. Why are we paying? Vendor will pay, right? I'm just advertising my vendor products to the customer. Vendor will be paying, not me. He'll be handling everything, right? Do not worry about that. So guys, pump it up right now. Pump it up right now. Did you like the concept? Did you like the concept? And let me promise you guys, let me bet on you this right now on a recorded line. On a recorded line, I'm telling you right now, no dropshipper, no POD website owner will never ever reveal his website. You go to any dropshipper, famous dropshippers in India, famous dropshippers in the world, ask them, let me check your website. Nobody in the world, I guarantee you, will give you the website name. But I agreed. Thank you, Sunil. But I am going to show you how this is possible. How are you going to do market research? And after you do the research, which are the products that are trending right now in the market and how do you sell it right now? Okay, guys, let me show you one more product. How many of you are excited now? How many of you are gym lovers here? How many of you are gym lovers, bodybuilders? Let me know in the chat box right now. Let me know in the chat box right now how many of you are gym lovers. And I guess, how do we find these vendors? I'm going to train you on that. Okay, let me take this particular session. Okay, to which market you are going to target to sell the products? Indians will cost sensitive to develop in the market. Conscious about the price. We are going to sell only to US, Canada, Australia, Mexico, New Zealand. We are not going to sell it in India. Guys, a small question to you again. How many of you are gym lovers here? How many of you are wanted to make your body strong? How many of you are gym lovers? In the chat box right now. I got 50 people on the call right now. Come on, guys. More response, more knowledge. How about Indian market? I'm going to talk about Indian market in just 5 more minutes. Okay, now see. This particular product, which I'm going to show you right now, will blow up your minds. This particular product, which I'm showing you right now, will blow up your minds. Okay, exercise, push up, bar. Let me find that particular product, amazing product, guys, that I'm, yeah. See this particular product, guys, see this particular product, understand this now. Okay, see this. One particular product, okay, solves all your problems. It's just a board. It is just a board, a normal board, back, chest, triceps, shoulders. Don't you think if you sell this right now, because all over the world, people are not hitting any more gyms right now, people are afraid. And if you, don't you think if I sell these type of, products online, we'll be able to get sales? In the chat box right now, in the chat box right now. Did you like this particular product? Triceps, shoulders, back, chest. Don't you think we get some sales if you target gym lovers, guys? Let me know in the chat box right now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I need responses. Come on. Yes. Yes. Obviously. Now you can easily sell this particular product for $45. You can easily sell this particular product for $45. I'm telling you, right? Yes, gym your people would buy. Yes, man. That's what market is. That's what the market is. So guys, this particular concept is called drop shipping, where there is no risk of inventory, there is no risk of shipping, there is no risk of cash handling. All that you need is a must nicest product, a must nicest product which will get you sales. A must nicest product which will get you sales. So I'm going to train you on all these. How do you market? How do you, how do you do market research? How do you get the products from? Where to get the products from? How to ship the products from? And that's how you are going to become an e-com specialist. Okay. If you are okay with this, guys, if you are okay with POD, if you are okay with drop shipping, one the chat box. Guys, I need response. Come on, Shashank. We would like to talk about drawbacks of drop shipping also. Drawbacks of drop shipping maximum is there was a drawback about the shipping time. But when I give you my vendors, right? For example, I give you my vendors. For one of my vendors, let me openly tell you one of my vendors here, Hyperscoop. One of my vendors who will ship my products in 8 to 10 days. When you join my training program, right? I'm going to give all my vendors to you. Okay, this is one I'm going to give you right now because you asked me a question. Shipping was a major problem at the pandemic time, but these guys solved all my shipping problems. I got around 350 orders. I got around 350 orders. Customers paid my company, my client's company, but I'm not able to ship it. Okay, these guys solved my shipping process in 8 days. Okay. Okay, Sunil, no issues. Get back to me, Sunil. I'll definitely talk to you. Okay. So guys, understood what is dropshipping, right? So now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead with the slides. Okay, let me close all of this. What if countries are banning China permanently? As of now, they don't ban. In future also, they don't ban, because all the economic reforms has to be done. And if that is possible, we have US warehouses where all the products are already there on US. Already there in US warehouses. Do not worry about that. The products are already there in US warehouses. Maybe you can call it as godowns. Okay, from there we are going to ship it to the customer. Do not worry about that. The major issue is shipping, and shipping problem is also solved. Okay, let me go back to the slides. Now you got the concept of print on demand. Now you got the concept of print on demand, and also you got the concept of drop shipping. Now you also have done this. Now, as you saw my training, right? I guess it's almost 1 hour of time you saw my training, guys. With your permission right now, I'm going to introduce one of my flagship programs, which is called as E-commerce by Shashank, which will be 3-week online workshop. If you give me permission, say yes in the chat box. I'm going to introduce this to you right now. I need more responses. Almost 50 people on the call, 45 people on the call right now. Thank you guys. Thank you for the response. Hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you. Now, I wanted to Okay, Sunil, thank you. You're already in. You're already one of my students. Thank you, Sunil. I wanted to introduce one of my favorite mentors, Jonathan. I paid him $5,000 to just understand the psychology of e-commerce. Okay, psychology of e-commerce. He trained me on Google AdWords. Okay, this is one of my best mentors. And the other mentors is Nick Peroni, who is very good at Facebook ads, who's very good about e-commerce. I met him in New Delhi, paid him $4,500 for 7 days class. Think of this, guys. Think of this. 7 days class, I paid him $4,500. And one of my favorites is my Mamu. I call him Mamu. His name is Ernest Apes. If you can see, all these are regarding Ernest Apes. I follow him blindly. He is one of my best mentors on Google AdWords. He trained me completely on Google AdWords, how to set up Google AdWords, how to how to sell products on Google AdWords. He is the person behind me. His name is Ernest Apes. I thank all of my mentors. India also, I got some mentors. Gaurav is one of my mentors who trained me on Facebook ads. Will you share the PPT of the presentation? I'll be sharing the recording. Sorry, I got late. Do you have any recording? I'm going to share the recording. Do not worry. Next Sunday, we are going to have one more webinar, guys. Do not worry about that. Now, understand this particular concept, guys. Now, upon spending a lot of money in learning things, I launched my 4 websites. In these 4 websites, I spent around 4.83 lakh rupees only on experimenting on advertisements on Facebook and Google AdWords. Understand this. I don't say that I lost completely, but I learned a lot from those 4.83 lakh rupees experiments. But I made huge profits on one ad copy. And here I am, guys, as a successful e-commerce specialist. 5 designs where I did a lot of research. It took around 1.5 years to 2 years of time to come to this particular position and become a successful e-commerce specialist. Okay. Now, 3-week interactive online session, guys. This particular course will not be pre-recorded course like others are doing. It will not be a pre-recorded course. This will be live, like we are doing it right now. Each and every live session will be recorded. Live sessions will be recorded and will be given to you on the same day if you wanted to watch n number of times. So the main concept is start an e-commerce website and scale it to $100 per day. That is, I want you guys to step into e-commerce business right now. Understand this. I want you guys to step into e-commerce business right now and scale your business $100 a day. How many are you with me right now, guys? I'm going to train you on each and every possibility. How many of you guys are with it? Do not worry about the pricing factor. Do not worry about the pricing factor. Do not worry about the pricing factor. We are going to do the best e-commerce website. We are going to do the best marketing research. We are going to find the best products online. We are going to put that products onto the website and we are going to sell it out. Start an e-commerce website now and scale it to $100 per day. And guys, reminding you once again, put this on your minds right now. This program is only for action takers. You should be attending all my workshops, 3-week online workshop, and then this particular thing is possible. People who want secondary source of income, people who are fed up with their jobs, people who wanted to have their own entrepreneurship journey. This is the opportunity I'm giving to you right now, 3-week interactive online workshop. Okay, now let me go with the details. 0 investment, guys. Do not worry about investment. No inventory, no risk of shipping, no risk of handling refunds, no risk of stock updates, no risk of invoices. No risk at all. Completely, it's all about only audience marketing. If you are able to target people perfectly, then obviously, seriously, you'll get some sales. And let me tell you on the recorded call right now, when you get the first sale, 4.5 years back, when I got my first sale, I could not sleep for 3 days. That's the amount of confidence I got in with me. I did not sleep for 3 days. Dinesh Kumar says, I'm not that good in English, then how can I market? Do not worry, Dinesh. Facebook is made for that, right? You just need to put your interest there and Facebook will market. Do not worry about the language that we are going to have. By the way, where are you from, Dinesh? Hyderabad. Hi, Dinesh. I'm also from Hyderabad. Do not worry, man. We can be good friends. నేను చెప్తాను నీకు ఏం బాధపడకు. I am with you. Do not worry. We are not going to talk. Only FB ads without talking this. Perfect. Who is this? LUK Mohan. Thank you. You are not going to talk. Obviously, you are not going to talk. FB ads are going to talk, right? Perfect. Thank you. So all that you need is audience marketing, guys. Now, think of this. Oh, hi, Shankar. Thank you. Think of this, guys. Think of this. For suppose you wanted to make 3 lakh rupee a month. Understand this very clearly. 500% attention, guys. Now I'm going to show you how much amount of money you can make in a month. How much amount of money you can make in a month. For suppose you wanted to make 3 lakh rupees a month. How much is that you wanted to make? 3 lakh rupees a month, and it accounts to 10,000 rupees a day. 10,000 rupees a day. If you talk about POD, if you talk about print on demand, the least profit, I'm talking about the least profit, guys. The least profit is 375 rupees that you can expect. If you wanted to achieve 3 lakh rupees, at least you need to sell 26 sales per day. At least you need to have 26 sales per day if you wanted to have 3 lakh rupees per month. If you wanted to earn 3 lakh rupees per month, this is revenue, this is profit, guys. This is not the gross revenue. I'm not talking about gross revenue, I'm just talking about profit. If you wanted to make 3 lakh rupees per month, per day you need to get at least 10,000 rupees, and on an average 375 rupees per sale. If on an average you are making around 375 rupees profit on a sale, you need to have 26 sales per day. This above is, can people of Kashmir 100% DK can't. Do not worry about Kashmir. You can do it. You can do it. Profit of 375 rupees, 26 sales per day. Is this possible? Yes, no, maybe, can't say anything in the chat box right now. What's happening on your mind? What are you thinking? What are you imagining? I want that in the chat boxes. Come on. Confused, can't say. Manas says yes. Maybe, can't say. Okay, next. Can't say. Okay. Can't say. We can. Thank you, Shankar. Thank you. I like the confidence. Can't say. Okay, I'm going to tell you a small solution for that. Worried about only designs? I am here. Stephen. Do not worry about designs. I can say I can. Okay, user. Thank you. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the next slide. I got cleared recording. Yeah, recording is updated. Recording is available. Yeah. Okay. Competition is high. I am marketer, man. Come on, 9 years of marketing experience. I am going to go like this competition. So we are going to do that. Do not worry. Now, volume has gone down. No. Do not worry about that, Satish. I'm going to handle that. Do not worry. For suppose, again, if you wanted to jump into dropshipping, and at least wanted to make 3 lakh rupees a month, you need 10,000 rupees per day. And I'm not talking about $30 profit, guys. We saw the watch, guys. We saw the watch, right? The wristwatch, the ball wristwatch. How much is the profit I got from that ball wristwatch? How much profit? $30. $30 is a profit. $30 is a profit. I'm talking about wristwatch, $30 profit, right? Now I'm not asking you to make $30 profit. I'm asking you to make at least 700. DK Khan, can people of Kashmir do this business? Yes, DK Khan. People of Kashmir, people of Jharkhand, people of Hyderabad, anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Nobody knows that you are doing it from India. Do not worry. Nobody knows that you are doing it from Kashmir. Okay, do not worry. Average profit is at least 700 rupees. All that we need is 14 sales per day. Can't I get, if I take biodegradable grass, if I take, if I take a wristwatch, can't I get 14 sales per day with an average profit of 700 rupees? What do you say, guys? Can I do drop shipping at least 14 sales per day? Yes, no, all right, in the chat box. Manik, thank you. Where are the responses? I am not able to see the responses, guys. Yeah, thank you, Vinay. Yes, we can do. Perfect. Now, how to interact with AliExpress, guys? I'm going to tell you, Stephen. I'm going to tell you in the training. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you for the response. Now, if you think that's huge, now I'm not going to ask you to make 26 sales per day, guys. 500% attention, guys. I'm not asking you to make 26 sales per day. I am asking you to make 10 sales per day. Are you guys in with me right now? People who said can't say, people who said maybe. Now you tell me, will you guys can make 10 sales per day if I give you my designs? Let me know in the chat box. People who said can't say, now this is how we are talking right now. Come on. Don't you think we can make 10 sales a day? Come on, guys. I need responses. I need answers from you. Okay. Now, I'm not asking you to make 14 sales per day for drop shipping. 14 sales per day for drop shipping. I'm asking you to make 4 sales per day drop shipping. Will that be possible? Come on, guys. I think we can do it easily. Perfect. That's a confidence, Dinesh. I like your confidence, man. Seriously. Now you calculate, guys. Now you calculate how much amount of money you can make per month. Daily 10 sales, average profit 375 rupees. How much money are you going to make in drop shipping for 30 days? Let me know, calculate and let me know in the chat box. Calculate and let me know in the chat box. How much, guys? How much time you need to calculate? Come on. For POD and for drop shipping, how much money can you make per month? 84,000 for drop shipping. Perfect, Stephen. Perfect calculation. What about POD? Print on demand. What about print on demand? 1,12,500. Perfect. So I'm asking you to make 10 sales per day, guys. It's not at all difficult. Understand this. I'm asking you to make 10 sales per day, POD. Okay, minimum profit. I'm taking out minimum profit. Normally you take a profit of around 500, 600, sometimes 700 rupees. Minimum profit I'm taking to 375 rupees. 10 days, 10 sales per day into 30 days. You make 1,12,500. If you are taking it to the 84,000, if you're taking drop shipping, it's 84,000 rupees. Okay, now let me take some questions, guys. People are okay. Somebody, yeah, please. Satish Kumar, you can talk right now. Can you explain the target client? I'm going to explain you right away. User, just please wait. DK Khan, if you wanted to talk, you can talk right now. Anybody wanted to talk, just mute yourself and talk. User, I unmuted you. Please talk. I'm not able to hear you, user. Or else put your question in the chat box. I'll answer. Satish Kumar, you wanted to talk? Yeah, please go ahead and talk, Satish. How do we target the client? I'm going to show you. Don't worry. No, it's okay. Thank you, Satish. I'm going to show you. Don't worry about that. Okay, let's go forward, guys. Let's go forward. Thank you. Okay, now Satish has, sorry, user. I don't know what's your name, user, but let me directly jump into my Facebook account and show you targeting clients. Okay, this is my Facebook. Let me click on add. Will invoice sent to the customer be in the Chinese language? No. No, man. No, no, no. Let me go to conversions because I want sales. Just say continue. User, this is exclusive for you. Okay. Now, let us take the example of. Let us take share link to all of us. Yeah, I'll share the link. Don't worry. Let us target United States. This is where you target United States, guys. Okay, scroll down and here it is. Okay, people are interested in watches. Just type in watches. Done. See this. I'm targeting people who are interested in watches from the age. If you wanted to filter the age, 23, let's put 23. Let's not go till 65. Let's take till 45. Maximum 45. And if you can see here, see this. There are these many people and you are getting these many conversions. You will at least get 45 to 131 conversions daily with a budget of 800 rupees. If you can see the budget here, 800 rupees. Okay, if you are increasing to 1000 rupees, sorry. If you are increasing to 1000 rupees and 57 sales, but this is not guaranteed, guys. This is not guaranteed. Do not go buy with Facebook. At least what I suggest you is, at least you'll get at least 10% of this, at least 6 to 7 sales per day if you're investing 1000 rupees. User, I guess, you, I answered your question. Yeah. This is how you do targeting. The most targeting I'm going to train you on when you get onto the training part of mine. Perfect. Okay. So thinking time, guys, thinking time. I want you guys to be on the chat box right now. Do you wanted to work alone? Do you wanted to work alone or you wanted to have Nilesh Kumar? Okay. Do you wanted to work alone or you wanted me to help you as a mentor, work with you and train you with all my strategies and make you successful? Option 1 or option 2? Option 1 or option 2, guys? Need your mentorship. Thank you, guys. I'm here to do that. Bharat, Nilesh, I'll be talking to you. Thank you. Kada says to everybody, guys. There are around 40 people on the call right now. Come on. Yeah. Thank you. So let me go with this. Training is for online marketing enthusiasts who wanted to become a business tycoon or an e-commerce specialist, working professionals who wanted to have extra source of income, mom, dad, and retired people who wanted to commitment, who have got commitments, who wanted to be responsible, bloggers, YouTubers, SEO executives, and non-digital marketing. This particular training is for these type of people. And now I'm going to give you 3 one-to-one online sessions, guys. I'm going to give you 3 one-to-one online sessions. Those are valued for 10,000 rupees, and this is absolutely free of cost. So how are we going to do? 3-week online sessions, 3 days per week will be a group training. And after that, we are going to have one-on-one sessions every week. You need to book a slot. I'm going to come online. You are going to come online. We are going to discuss about your website. We are going to discuss about the products. So almost 4 days a week, the classes will run. 3 days, it's a group. 3 days, it's a group, and 1 is a live online session, one-to-one session. Yeah, thank you, Nilesh. Thank you. So guys, these are some of my testimonials. Thanks for everything. You made me a better person, and your knowledge and awesome on Shopify, and especially tools that you use, made my work easy. And he's able to cross $530 per month in the starting stage. Okay, thanks. Hey, Gaurav is one of my partners, and thanks for the amazing response on calls. You solved my shipment issue for a lifetime. I'm confident of selling more design to expand my business in USA. He got only $77 sale, and he's saying that he wanted to expand his business in USA. Look about the confidence he's having. Versus is total? Yes. Okay. Hey guys, after that we can be lifetime, man. Do not worry about that. I can take one-to-one as many as possible. Okay, I'm happy that I'm happy that I'm able to go beyond $100. She's a homemaker by Meera, guys. She's from New Delhi. She's able to get 3 orders, $124 per day. If you can see this, what was my target? $100 per day. This is how we are going to achieve. Okay, one of my others, Yashwant Reddy, who's from US right now. He's there in US right now. Yesterday, almost a 1 month back screenshot, he got $2,593,000, $2,000 almost, 124 orders only through drop shipping. These are live testimonials I'm giving you guys. These are live testimonials I'm giving you. High ticket product, I sold one product. I only sold one product and I made a sale of $1,590. I made a sale of $1,590 here, guys. Able to get my point, guys? So this is how it actually works out. This is how it actually works out. This happened in the Corona time. This happened in the Corona time. Okay. So what you are going to get it from me? You are going to get live training, reviewing your stores time to time. I'm going to help you in design research. I'm going to help you in finding a nice vendor. I'm going to show you some powerful tools like free tools and paid tools where you can go have some research and get the products. Okay. What else do you need from my side, guys? Tell me in the chat box. What else do you need from my side? Enough? Just type in enough. If you need something else, just type in. If you need my mentorship, just type in mentorship in the chat box. Keep the balls rolling. Come on. Keep the chat rolling. Pausing timing of the session, I'll tell you. Okay. Trust me, guys. This campaign only during COVID or lifetime? Lifetime, lifetime, lifetime. The value that you're going to get is around 1,50,000 rupees. The bonus that I'm going to give you, there is no recorded session. Everything will be live. Everything will be live. Thinking of this, being an e-com specialist in just a month, all that we need is time. All that we need is time. That's it. Okay. Would it be worth it, guys, if I help you to creating a system where you can generate monthly profit of 75,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees? With calculation, I showcased you, right? With calculation, we saw that. We saw that with calculation. If I tell you all my product research strategy, if I tell you all my product research strategy, Vaibhav, I'll give my Facebook ID. Do not worry, I'm going to give my Facebook ID. With a minimum profit of 375 rupees, would it be worth it? Will you be able to take this? I mean, if I help you creating an e-com brand and where you can create, where you can get some confidence and leave your job from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. job, what do you say? Would it be worth it? Just type in worth in the chat box if you think it is worth. Just type in worth in the chat box if you think it is worth. Yeah, thank you. Now understand this now. Again, on the chat box right now. I can sell this live training program for cheaper price and get more sales. I can make more amount of money, but I cannot give the actual value. But this particular training program requires a little higher investment. But that will definitely guarantee you success. Option 1 or option 2. Almost we are on to an end, guys. Option 1 or option 2. Let me know in the chat box. Do not worry, the price is very less. I'm not going to eat up your this thing. Option 2, user says option 1. Okay, Nilesh, I'm going to talk to you anyways. I need responses, guys. Come on. Okay, 2. Perfect. Now, these are my testimonials, guys. Anyways, I'm going to post you my testimonials. Okay, you can see the testimonials on Google as well. Okay, what are you going to get it from my side is Shopify Mastery Course, POD and Dropshipping Mastery Course, Facebook Mastery Course, and Google AdWords Mastery Course. Success can't be cheap. Thank you, Shankar. Thank you. Thank you so much for that word. Shopify Mastery Course, POD Mastery Course, Dropshipping Mastery Course, Facebook Mastery Course, and Google Mastery Course. You are going to get it. And now guess the worth of the training. A small guess. I want you guys to guess how much will be the training worth. Just keen to know, guys. Just keen to know how much can be the training worth. Let me know in the chat box. How much can be the trading worth? How much can I sell this for? 2,000? Oh my God, Vinayak, no man, come on. Okay, others? Others? No idea, okay. 7,000, okay. Maybe free. Nilesh, come on. How can I give this all my knowledge for free of cost? Man? Come on. Joking. Oh my God. Guys, please respond. Please respond. 10,000. 3,999. Okay. Partnership model would be great. Okay. Let's talk about that as well. 4,999. Okay. I wanted to see anybody saying at least 50,000, man. Come on. You have to make my day. 50,000 is what I'm expecting. Any one of you. Okay. Now see. So this particular course is valued. This particular course is valued at 35,000 rupees. How many of you are kidding? Do not leave seeing this particular price. Do not leave this session seeing this particular price. I dedicate my time. You train, we slip profits. Okay. 35,000 rupees. How many of you say you are in? Just wanted to know. That's it. Just wanted to know. Nobody? Okay. I'll take that. Nobody. More reviews. You can go to Trustpilot if you wanted me to check Trustpilot. I'll Trustpilot. You can go to Trustpilot and check all my reviews there as well. Anyways, I'm not going to eat up your minds more. Okay, service reviews. You can see all my reviews on Trustpilot. This is not a fake review agency, guys. Like we have Google, like we have Facebook, something like that. This is real-time review agency. See, a great trainer with great clarity. I like Shashank training sessions. Okay, you're amazing trainer. Shashank is excellent trainer, fantastic, excellent Shopify trainer. Shashank is a great trainer. Shashank digital marketing professional, excellent webinar, very good trainer in Shopify. He's a talented trainer. You can see many things coming up, guys. So I don't want to boost myself more. So let me straight away go back with the pricing factor. Okay, let's talk about discount. I'm going to offer you this particular course only for 25,000 rupees. How many of you guys are in right now? How many of you think you can pay? Or else, I got a huge surprise for you if you're willing to take this training right now. Let me know how many of you are ready to take this training right now, guys. Come on, I got a huge surprise for you. Come on, guys. A very huge surprise. A very huge surprise. How many of you are willing to take this training program? A very huge surprise for you. Normally, I charge 65,000 rupees for this training, guys. Normally, one-to-one training, I charge 65,000 rupees. Okay. Okay, what is that you're going to get? This is what you're going to get, guys. I'm going to share this particular Google Sheet to you as well. Too much costly. I'm going to share the price details. Don't worry about that, Saurabh. Week 1, this is what we are going to have. Week 2, we are going to have this. Sorry. We are going to introduce drop shipping. And week 3, we are going to introduce POD. And week 2, again, we are going to have Facebook marketing. And after that, Google marketing. And week 3, we are going to set up for the vendors, and we are going to start marketing. This is called a 3-week mastery program that you're going to get. Okay. And apart from this, the bonus that you're going to get. Okay. And one more important point: if you're not satisfied in the first week, on the recorded line, I'm telling you, I'm going to refund your money. No questions asked. If you're not satisfied, the money will be refunded to you. No questions asked. And the bonus that I'm going to give you, $350 worth theme, Shopify theme, 30 designs, where each and every design will cost you around 500 rupees. If you go to Fiverr.com, if you go to Upwork.com, okay, 30 for each and every design, they'll charge you around 400 to 500 rupees. I'm going to give it for free, ready to sell, because I'm into dropshipping POD since 4.5 years. I'm going to give you my designs where you can put that in the Shopify stores and start selling it. Trend dropshipping products, like I showcased you watch, like I showcased you grass. I'm going to give you 10 dropshipping products, 3 one-to-one sessions. I'll be helping you to launch your website. Vendor support, I'm going to give you all my vendors where you can ship all the products in 8 to 10 days. And after that, we are going to do something called as Facebook ad support as well. We are going to do that. Now, the training cost only for today is 7,777 rupees, guys. For the next batch that is going to start next month, I'm going to charge at 25,000 rupees. Now tell me, how many of you are in with this training cost? Understand this, guys. 4.5 years of work, 4.5 years of hard work, ready to sell products, making your Shopify mastery with Facebook ads, with POD, with drop shipping. You will never get this particular course for this much less price. I guarantee you that. How many of you are in? Let me know. Let me know how many of you are in, guys. I'm not going to charge you any extra money from you again. Mohammed says yes, he's in. Kaja says he's in. Next, guys, I want responses. Come on, guys. And one more important point. There will be no more 13 people in a batch. I'm going to take only 13 people, already 8 people enrolled. I want 5 more people to come. EMI possible, you can split into 2 EMIs. Just message me on WhatsApp. I'm going to assist you on that. 7,777 only, guys. How many of you are in? Now, people who are in, this is the payment link, guys. Go ahead and start making the payment. I will be waiting for your payment right now. This is the payment link. This is the payment link I was talking about. Just go ahead. I gave in the chat box. Confirm the payment can be made in part 2. Yes, you can make the payment in part 2, but people who wanted to make the payment in part 1 and 2, let me share you the link again, guys. Let me share you a new link. Just be here. Just hold on. I'm going to give you a new link. People who wanted to make part payments. But the payment has to be made in 10 more days, okay? Because it's a 3-week online workshop, right? So let me give you the link for part payment as well. Pay 4,000 now. After that, block your seat, guys. Block your seat. Okay, go to the chat box. Go to the chat box. That is the link for the part payment, guys. That is the link for the part payment. Timing, it will be in the evening after 8 o'clock. So that we can spend a lot of time. Timing will be after 8 o'clock. I gave 2 links to you. One link is for part payment. The other link is for full payment. You can opt any of these 2, but part payment people can make the payment in 10 days. Make 4,000 now. After 10 days, you can make the remaining payment. Okay. I'm waiting for your payments, guys. Block your seats right now, at least making some sort of part payments. Any more questions, you can unmute and you can talk to me right now. Any more questions, you can unmute and talk to me right now. And guys, trust me, if you're not liking my classes, I'm going to give the refund, no questions asked in the first week itself. That's also guaranteed. We are definitely going to get some sales. Trust me, we are definitely going to get some sales. Raja, I'm not sure because see, by tomorrow, if complete slots are done, I'm not sure. If you want me to give the payment details again, just wait. I'm going to give the payment details again. This is the payment detail. Go ahead, confirm your slot, guys. Go ahead, confirm your slot. Okay, I'm here to help you out in your dropshipping mastery course. When the class starts second week of August. I'm waiting for the payments. Just make the payment and after that we can start up the classes. If you have any more questions, you can ask me right now, guys. Vinayak, are you here? Kaja? Bharat, Naveen Mohan, Muli Krishna, Naveen Ahmad, Amit, Prashant. I want you guys to, Dinesh Kumar, Saurabh, I want you guys to go ahead and make your payment and feel secure, guys. Come on. You're not making a payment just like that. It's just one or two parties that you have at your house. But the amount of value that I'm going to give you will be amazing. Will be just amazing, guys. And guys, if you wanted to talk to me, right? If you wanted to talk to me, here is my number. 798-102-4731. That's my number. Sorry, that's not my number. Sorry. 8102-4731. Sorry, guys. The second one, 798-102-4731. That's my number. Okay. Take your own time. By evening, make sure that the payment has to be on because I have got only 5 slots left. I've got only 5 slots left. Make sure that you guys are in. Okay, guys. Let me know if you have any more questions here right now. I'm going to answer you. Any issue with the payments, let me know. The class will start second week of August, Sandeep. And how do we need credit card to run FB ads? Credit card, debit card, or you pay, Paytm also works to some accounts. Paytm also works to some accounts. Okay, I already gave you my number. Just go ahead and start making payments. Thing is, you don't have online payment system, or else you can pay me here, guys. If you want to Paytm me, 7032914151. Okay, Sandeep says you want a link. Okay, I'm just going to give you the link, Sandeep. Just be here. And guys, this is my this is my income proof. You wanted to see my live income proof, right? So that's my income proof. For the people who still have some doubts, let me share my screen. Apart from training cost, okay, sorry, I didn't. Apart from training cost, other budget, do you think Shopify store $29? $29, that's it. And also your Facebook marketing cost. Guys, please mute. So, sorry guys, not this. This is my income proof, guys. Yesterday, I'll show you yesterday's data. Training time, it will be after 8 o'clock. It will be 1.5 hours, 2 hours of time. For each product, you come separate Shopify store. No. Yesterday, I have spent around 2,500 rupees, made around 31,000 rupees. We can see this. Made around 31,000 rupees by just spending 2,500 rupees. This is one of my income proofs that I'm showing you right now. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead, make the payment. I'm waiting for your payments here. That's the link, Sandeep. Just go ahead. After you make the payment, let me know in the WhatsApp. I'll confirm your admission. Okay, I got a payment here. Let me read out the name. Thank you, Mohan. Thank you, Naveen. I want you to take this session. Just call me, Naveen. Any issues, any budgeting issues, any pricing issues, just call me. I'll be here to help you out. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you so much. I got your payment. Thank you. I got your payment, Mohammed. I got your payment. Thank you. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Again, I'm sharing you my number. Sandeep Kumar Paul. I want you because you attended my last session as well, I guess, right? That's my number, 798-102-4731. Yeah, Sandeep. Satish, thank you so much. Get back to me, question me. I'm here to help you out. That's my number, 798-102-4731. I'll be waiting for your payments, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you guys made today. Okay. Any more questions? WhatsApp me or call me on this number. I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, I got one more payment. Okay, Sushil, I guess. Thank you. Thank you, Sushil. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bye.